Hey California puchungte a engineer chungte a ni zana airport amin lo mua kan ina nuak takin kan muto azan khat kan riak to a he ina nia tuna hian Universal Studio wel min kalpui Hollywood
Universal Studio
Hollywood amin kalpui atumare he tuam le anin vel a chevel a po hi residential a chak kak tak zeta ne hey, hey, tay bên ngoài đi po. Alo chua. Về lóc kê.
Chua chẳng có lâu đấy.
Let's go. Không bắt lâu đấy. Ale engineer chungte, pu chungte hianin. Hey, motor Mercedes. Car hi a number po atero te California ya alien zoken Mizoram ti ya ku maya he hini zana po kalau kia tham the na tura aron soisa nia he anin ku po ken he amatong garage lamania song lama son zau takal nei ne Universal Studio Khiangte cái này Universal Studios Hollywood hay tu nak cakap ombek ta ni hardu mai reke chồng xe là mà bùi po buông trang cái nó lẩu phê này bùi học mấy phát cho này mà anh cả chung chia là po here Universal City the top mania studio Khiangte Hollywood Universal Studio Vegas Casino. Universal Studio.
Oh, folks, we have a really special treat. See that person eating food inside the Backlot Cafe? Do you guys watch CSI? 4 acres of the historic Universal Backlot were burned down in a devastating fire. We knew immediately that these sets needed to be reproduced, so we amassed some of the top filmmakers and set designers in the history of Hollywood to bring us our new and improved Backlot locations. Now one of those locations is right here. We call this area Brownstone Street. You might recognize it in Bruce Almighty. Take a look at your monitors. Now look to the right. Now back to the monitors. Back to the right. Back to me. Back to the right. So cool! That's what I was gonna say. Those are the cars.
All right. Fire them up! We go live and fire. It's time for it.
And go! Smoke! Go! Fire!
We'll talk about this later.
Go! Okay, we're clear for a full run through. All systems checked. This one's for real, guys, so watch out. And action!
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Carnage and Karma. Boys, go take that. So y'all got any of the moves you want to show us? Oh yeah! Now folks, you're witnessing a new reality show that's going to be debuting this fall on NBC. For the first time anywhere, this is your exclusive look at Dancing with the Cars. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Carnage and Karma. Two examples of our motion control effects that can take incredibly precise dinosaur attack.
Jurassic Park on dinosaur.
Folks, I was not expecting that. The weather plays a really important part in setting the mood for all those dinosaur attacks, but here in Southern California, it's the same boring sunshine every single day. Okay, now folks, this is how we create rain in the movie. We pipe the water straight up into the air and let it fall down naturally. But a lot of times it's kind of hard for the camera to see the water, so we add milk into the mixture. So you might say that Gene Kelly was sinking in the milk. Okay, Walter's our water guy here. Walter, cut the water, man. They get it. This is created by dumping thousands and thousands of gallons of water from the top of the hill and letting it rush towards us naturally. But folks, I don't want anyone to worry because all the water that you see there, it's all going to be recycled into the park's drinking fountain. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I warned you if you have anything on the ground in apps, we're about to go below sea level.
San Francisco
Take a look over to your left.
kung noire kalna po na nga siya maniya
We got the lights, we got the cameras. Folks, all we
sound
need
stage.
now, all we need now is a little bit of action. We have our very own movie. And we filmed Beverly Hills Cop 3 here. Okay, folks. folks. Just remain calm. Little earthquake, nothing to be afraid of. Stay in your seats. We'll be fine. Oh no. Oh no. It's the big one. The second level. It's about to collapse. Look out. It's the tanker truck. Hello? Hello? Okay, that was the worst of it.
Laging nasa hawk eh.
This wasn't in my contract. Hello? I'll be right here. That way, money out that before. That way, money. Oh, my head. Oh, wiggle, 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 wiggle. What? Subway car just crashed into the tunnel. Picked up the water main. Look out!
Oh, see?
Folks, George had a lot of guts being out there, and there they are. But don't worry, folks, we're going to stay nice and safe and pull up behind these highly flammable gas tanks. What's the worst that could happen, right? Oh no, he took the dock. We're going to need a bigger tram.
Basta bro. Petrol pump.
Go ahead and sit down for me, folks. Now, I know what y'all are saying is the highest property value in all of Hollywood. It's Wisteria Lane, and it's home to some very desperate housewives. Now, I'm going to point out the houses on the left-hand side of the tram first. That's where all the ladies live. Over to our left, it used to be yellow, now it's kind of khaki. That is Gabrielle's house. Gabrielle is played by Eva Longoria. She lives right next door to the monsters of 1313 Mockingbird Lane. And redecorate before it was featured on Desperate Housewives. In the front of Susan's Grass, you can see some of our live rabbits that live here on Wisteria Lane. Those rabbits better be careful. There are a lot of cougars that live in this neighborhood. There's Lynette's house, the greenhouse, over to our left-hand side of the tram. Lynette is played by Felicity Huffman. And now you have the opportunity to see this area live and in person. Take a look at it in your monitors. Here it is. It's the Desperate Housewives.
Next morning, Edie Britt decided to announce her return to Wisteria Lane.
Okay, you're not gonna believe this, but she's back. Edie, is that really you? You know someone else my age would flutter like this? Well, what happened to your tenant? Yeah, he came into some money and decided to move. We thought, what the heck? Let's move back. We? You don't know. I have a husband now. Really?
Into the most famous film set still standing in Hollywood, the Bates Motel, and if you look up the Psycho Path, you'll see the Psycho House. Now, we actually don't allow anyone on these buildings' premises because this is a historical landmark, so aside from a couple of maintenance workers, this area stays abandoned throughout... There's a door open. Okay, maybe you won't see 170 people on a 100,000-pound tram. We did not see you put that body in the... Whoa. Oh no. Let's get out of here. That's what you get for now yelling "Part the Waters."
How you folks doing today? Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Elwood Blues. This is my brother Jake. We're on a mission from Get.
Thanks, Elwood. Great to be here from the old hometown, the Windy City, Chi-Town. Chicago, come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, I said, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, the sweet home, Chicago. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go?
Tunahen Waterworld. Tangkal na. Hey. Lai han tuam tu ve lai thel chia. Thel lui rang chia tak ten ya chu afim en to tan chuan a thia the mai ome chemi thim manga sak te chonia ti kan la ma pianga mi kan tam hle en tum hi kan sim le mur to ni tu na ya tai daruk le min nga hian tan don tan to ra ni nom le mur to ne
nice and high. The kid's got my golf ball. No, it's okay. We might actually need these people. Bag this. Walk it off. Brothers and sisters!
Everybody, boom! Hear ya!
Thank you.
Hey, DJ! Come on, get up here, let's go! Take me out one-on-one!
Tiny, a little help?
Chicken! That's right! You're the big old chicken!
Stay in school. Listen up, the provider has spoken, and he tells me, personally, that somebody around here knows the way to dry land. Dry land! We are going to pave it and drive it, tax it and tithe it, sweet Joe above. We're going to use it, cruise it, fill it, drill it, and build an 18-hole monument to my beloved self.
You'll never find dry land, Deacon. I won't let you in, neither will the Mariner.
The Mariner? You mean your half-man, half-fish boyfriend that poked out my eye? It's fun. Bring me the girl. Hi. May I offer you a smoke?
No, thanks.
Wait a minute. I'm not finished talking to you. The guys and I are going to play some games. Would you like to play?
No.
Please?
No.
Come on.
No.
I need to know the way to dry land. Dry land, Helen. So the game is called The First One That Tots Lives.
Leave him alone, he doesn't know anything.
Well, I believe you, but that'll make you the winner and this guy the loser. Drop him! There are only two things that really kept my coat. One is having information withheld from me. The other is being interrupted when I'm in the middle of a very... Would you please excuse me? Shut up! When I've been interrupted in the middle of a very... You done? He's under the water. Clutch. Dalton, I need you! Get me the mirror. Shoot him. Shoot the water, idiot! Stop playing with him. Well, oh no, she's got a bucket. What idiot trained that idiot? Idiot boss. Find out what's wrong with this. Oh, it's getting away. Are you all right? Helen! Bob and I are going to be doing a lot of shooting at your boyfriend. If you could get out of our way, we'd appreciate it. Bob! Boom. Bob, we've got a runner. Carl! Go on, make your move. It's jam! Find me another weapon. The guy's right behind you. You're not going to destroy my plans for dry land, you kill that mutated freak. The guy's a complete freak. I need a weapon. Dalton! Right. Hey, Bob, how about this? That looked very painful from where I was standing. Come on, fish boy, let's go. Let's find out who's the real chicken of the sea.
Mariner! Now!
time we get that skyboat back in here, have a blast at everything. Kingdom Come. I'll take care of them. 3. I know. Shut up. Kenny! Doug! Why don't you do us all a favor up there and just stand in one spot? Now what? Oh, no, it's okay. No, it's not. I would move faster. Always. Guess again? Hey! Somebody flag my ship?
Let's go!
I don't think so. How do you like that? I think all my men are dead. Yeah, but what a fun day, right?
No.
When was the last time you had a day like this?
Never.
For a first date, pretty good, right? Climb that ladder. I've got a brand new vision, Helen. Let me run it by you. Why don't you come on over here? Hi.
Okay.
That's bad. Something I said. 4.
Now.
Got a hold of that one. That's good. Why don't you go pack?
I don't like you.
Your boyfriend and I have a few things we gotta work out. I got your woman. I've killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on. Yes! I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a new nation. Dryland is my destiny!
Hey, Deacon!
And what? No! No! I don't like this! Ah! Ouch! Helen! Get the boat!
I knew I should have stayed on dry land. There you go! Hurry! There you go! The fuel tank's gonna blow. We're not gonna make it.
And so the Deacon's threat has ended. And civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas of Waterworld.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Waterworld.
You guys might recognize some of our performers from their work in film and television. From Super Ninjas, Lon Gowan. From Battleship, Tim Sitars. From Glee, Dalton Simmons. From NCIS, Nick Hanneman. We did an amazing 45-foot fireball from G.I. Joe Retaliation, Lauren Dennis. From Pirates of the Caribbean 4, Helena Barrett. And sitting beside her, from X-Men First Class, Greg Delarie. From the Conan O'Brien Show, my name is Greg Dahl. Thank you so much for seeing our show. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA.